Chanel Mini Bowling Bag. Straight from the pre-fall 2020 collection, the Chanel Bowling Bag is a unique yet sophisticated mini bag. It can compete against the Chanel New Mini or even the Vogue. The bowling bag is perfect for the fashionistas who want something different yet adores this round shape. The Grained Calfskin is a durable and strong leather which makes it perfect to carry as an evening bag. You don't need to baby it. I also like the solid colors as well as the bold CC logo in the center. And thanks to the woven chain leather strap, this bag can be worn on the shoulder or cross body. If you are interested, check the details.